welcome to the channel, and welcome to the never-ending saga of Toca de Queda or Curfew. Well, we have some more changes to let you guys know of. So starting Wednesday, January 27th until February 8th, we've got a new curfew out here all over this great land of the Dominican Republic. The Vice President has come forth and said that they are going to be a little bit more lax on the curfew. So curfew will begin on Wednesday the 27th to be as follows. Monday through Fridays will be from 7 p.m. until 5 a.m. and Saturdays and Sundays will be from 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. They are still going to do the 3-hour grace period, provided that the people can use it to get home from their places of work, but all businesses are supposed to be closed by the curfew time, which would be meaning that all inside dining, all inside bars, and grocery stores will be closing Monday through Friday at 7 p.m. Then the workers will be allowed the 3 hours to get home. On Saturday and Sunday, everything would close down at 5 p.m., allowing them their 3-hour grace period to get home. They are taking bars, gyms, and grocery stores to a 60% capacity, and she said that she does have in place her inspectors for monitoring compliance. So they will be in and out throughout the Dominican Republic, with the biggest offenders obviously being Santo Domingo and Santiago, because we are the two with the largest COVID positive numbers and COVID deaths. So they said that this will, of course, not be written in stone. Measures are evaluated daily, and that they're keeping their eye on the current cases. To date, we have a confirmed positivity case numbers of 199,672, and our deaths unfortunately have reached 51,170. So again, the curfew here has changed. Some people are speculating that it is to enhance tourism, because we know now that the United States has changed the qualifications to get back from out of the United States. And we will be discussing that actually on our live this Saturday. So make sure that this Saturday, January 30th at 5 p.m., you're tuning into our live, where we will be discussing where the testing facilities in the DR are located, the website to find them on, and talking about these new curfews, so that we can keep you with all the updated and accurate information for those of you that will be traveling, moving to, or just visiting the Dominican Republic very soon. As always, keep your eye on the channel. So have a wonderful day. Tune in for our video for this Friday, going over the travel restriction changes for the United States. Always make sure to hit subscribe, hit notifications if you'd like to get notified on new and upcoming videos as they drop. Always give this and all videos a thumbs up. It is the free and easy way to patron the channel, because hitting subscribe and hitting that thumbs up helps us to bring great content like this to you. And as always, all information is underneath all videos, and we will see you on the next video.